It's confirmed Manila Water customers will suffer from service interruptions until end of May. Manila Water Chief Ferdinand de la Cruz admitted this in a hearing opened by the lower house this morning. De la Cruz says this delay is necessary for La Mesa Dam to replenish its own water supply.
Ipinararating ko bilang Pangulo ng Manila Water ang paghingi ng kapatawaran sa inyong mga constituents who are also our customers sa aming concession area.
De la Cruz explains Manila Water's capacity cannot keep up with the rising number of customers and consumption. He adds that the first announcement of service interruption made things even worse. It prompted an unusual spike in demand and lowered the water at the La Mesa Dam to a level that is not enough to supply water to all their customers. That's why De la Cruz says he's ready to be held accountable for the worst water crisis in decades.
Wherever that leads me to, I will take accountability for that action. I am prepared to resign for failing the customers.
Water regulator MWSS meanwhile says the concessionaire violated their agreement forged in 1997. It obliges Manila Water to ensure continuous water supply to all its customers 24/7. The agreement also mentions the penalties for Manila Water's failure to meet service obligations. MWSS Regulatory Chief Patrick T, however, has repeatedly said they have no power to impose penalties.
Sorry lang, there is no penalty to this notice of violation?
Unfortunately, the MWSS MWSS Regulatory Office is not given any power to impose fines and penalties.
All the MWSS can do for is to disallow Manila Water's fare hikes on their fifth rebasing of rates on 2022. The water regulator, meanwhile, is urging Congress to make a more powerful Department of Water. Officials are also hoping the government can fast-track the building of tunnels and dams to increase supply for Metro Manila. One is the China-funded Kaliwa Dam located between Tanay Rizal and Infanta Quezon.
I will assure you, Your Honor, under our administration, the China company will comply.
Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.